Welcome to another stock analysis video performed by MajesticTrader.com, where active traders seek greater profits. So let's begin. Hi everybody, we are looking at the weekly chart of Conagra Foods, symbol CAG. Looking at the much larger macro view of the chart, we put in two Fibonacci retracements, one long-term, another one intermediate term, both of them having a low that hit at the end of 08. Conagra Foods, like many other quality stocks, got hit pretty hard in the credit crisis, and as you could see from that low of 08, it had a pretty nice uptrend through 09 and even through early 2010. There was a pullback with the price action to a demand level from the end of 09, and you can see there's a very nice hammer candlestick there to start that uptrend into April-May timeframe of 2010. So with that pullback, it based there for a while and then started a pretty nice uptrend throughout the balance of 2010 into 2011. And you can see there's been some very nice price action there. Along with that, you can see where that blue arrow is, that it came back and it pierced that very strong trend line from that demand zone that it made in the middle of 09. And with that, we did a measured move from that point of the trend line up from the 25.12 breakout level, which gave us a 29.12 target, which was approximately $4. And as you can see with this particular chart, it created a very nice bullish flag pattern from the end of 08 going straight up. It has this little flag or triangle that it formed. Anything above, as far as price action, would be bullish. Anything below would be bearish. And as you can see here, in the last 2 to 3 weeks, not only did it go above that level, but it went there with some pretty decent volume. And as you can see, it's going right up towards that supply zone, or that resistance level of 25.12. So you can see that with the strong price action, where it's going to go. And what you're going to end up finding is that there might be a pullback or retracement, because the $24 level was essentially where the breakout was. So it shot through there pretty good. So we can expect a pullback, and we'll talk about an entry in a little bit. So one of the things that we would do now is look for potential targets. So one of the targets would be the 26.25 level and the 29.12 level, which was a target. So let's go to a daily chart where we can look at more of a micro level view or a more exploded level view. And you could see how strong these resistance or supply zone areas are. So as you can see, the really good action in the last couple of days. Again, you don't get typically more than 2 or 3 days of very strong action like that before you do get some type of a retracement or a pullback. So you have those two pretty strong zones to look at. So until it pushes through those two zones, I wouldn't expect it to get through the 26.25 or the 27.12 area for a good 30 to 60 days, depending on market conditions and how good the volume is with this particular stock. So looking back at the weekly level again, we're looking at two target levels. One of them would be the 26.25 level and the 27.12 level. Again, it needs to push through the 25.12 level, which is a decent resistance level or supply zone there. So where would be a good entry point? A good entry point would again be the pullback to the 24.40 to the 24.50 level. You might even see this even pull back to the $24 level. And if this pulls back to the $24 level, along with a market pullback, I would consider that a very, very strong buy. So entry at 24.40 to 24.50, target 1 at 26.25, and target 2 at 29.12. And that is our review of Conagra Foods, symbol C. Thank you for attending another expert stock analysis video by MajesticTrader.com, where active traders seek greater profits. Please visit our website at MajesticTrader.com to learn more about our premier newsletter.